Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers, home of the Colorado off-road trailer and our Colorado cargo trailers, set up to be multi-use units for you guys so you can get a lot of use out of your trailers. You can always view our inventory at getmytrailer.com or send us an email, sales@getmytrailer.com. This is one of our 8.5 by 18s. It's in a beautiful silver blackout exterior set up with a spread torsion axle package. If you guys are doing a lot of highway traveling, you've got UTVs and side-by-sides, this is an ideal setup. We use this size trailer for ourselves personally all the time. Triple tube tongue with this unit, so it tows very good because it's got this integrated tongue tied all the way back into the frame. You also have the diamond plate rock guard along the bottom and that nice V-nose guard. This does have power in it, so you've got a twist lock plug right here as well. Stock number 15637. Side door has the RV lock and cam bar on it, so you've got double lock protection. There we go, a little bit better angle with that double locking system on that side door. Exterior GFI outlet right there. Couple of party lights off the side, so you've got the exterior light at night. And then here's your goods right there. Two 3,500-pound torsion spread axles and brakes on all fours and aluminum wheels. So a torsion axle gives you an independent suspension under the trailer. It's going to ride better and tow better with a torsion axle. And then when we spread them apart like this, it cuts down on wagging and swaying that can occur. So ideal, again, highway setup right there. Stabilizer jacks underneath the back. We've got some jacks right down underneath there so you guys can have that extra stability when you want to camp, unhook from your trailer and be in and out of this thing. You also have a couple of load lights off the back like those party lights, so you guys have some exterior light at night. Give you a shot of this side. This is a really nice looking trailer. You also have the black diamond plate wrap around that rear door jamb right there. 3-year factory warranty with this unit. It weighs 2,500 pounds. It's going to give you a 4,500 pound payload capacity. And we're going to go on the side door right here. You guys can see you've got this and lock a latch and a set of keys right there for you. 7-foot interior height. That's important for those of you that have UTVs, ATVs, side-by-sides. You need that extra height. It's going to give you 6'6" at the rear ramp door. Insulated walls and ceiling, and then you also have a white aluminum wall and ceiling liner in here, so it's nice and easy to take care of and keep clean. Again, we've got 2 of these windows, 18 by 44 slider windows. It's a tinted blockable window, does have a screen in it as well. And then performance Nudo floor with Maxx. It's one of the best, most durable floors we can find out there. It's why we use it in our trailers. It's also in our off-road trailers. It's meant to last. Underneath has a water resistant product, and that's what's on the underneath side of the trailer. So it's going to last a lot longer than a standard wood floor as well. Now we do have a Maxx Air roof vent here in the back. So it has the bubble cover over it, so you guys can have that open, not worry about it leaking water in if it starts to rain. And we're going to face forward here. We've got another roof vent up there. We're going to talk about that in a second. So a couple different lighting options in here for you guys. We do run a battery with a battery box and a battery charger, which is that guy right there. And that's a great feature because it runs all of your 12-volt lighting. So the party lights on the outside, the load lights off the back, and then you guys can see you've got 4 puck lights in here as well. It turns that on. Normally you need to be plugged into your vehicle or you need to be plugged into some kind of power source to have light, and that eliminates that problem for you. So we really like that feature. Then again, you've also got 30 amp service, so you can take that plug on the front of the trailer, plug right into your campground, plug into a generator, run an extension cord, and that's going to bring 110 power in and power up your interior outlets for you. So you do have, 4 interior outlets, 1 exterior GFI outlet. And then this unit, we are out of AC units at the factory. So it is braced, it is wired and pre-wired and ready to go. You guys just need to get an AC unit. Like I said, you've got all the structure right there and the wiring right there. It'd be a super simple, easy thing to put in if you want one. Otherwise, you can leave it out and just kind of do your thing. So this trailer, again, is 18 feet from the tip of the V right there to the back of this ramp door. So you've got 18 feet of total length, 8.5 wide interior here. Again, and that's what makes it really nice for the bigger UTVs out there to have that extra width, but not need a ton of length. And because of how this trailer is set up, it's lighter as well, with that only being 2,500 pounds, as opposed to like a 4,000 pound trailer if you went to a full car hauler. So kind of give you guys some options there. Again, 3-year factory warranty. You've got 4 D-rings in the floor as well, so you've got some tie down points, and it's set up and ready to go. Give us a call, 303-688-8485. But now in our lovely COVID days, the best place to reach us and catch us is always by email, sales@getmytrailer.com. We work online all the time, And you guys can also purchase any of our units online with our Buy It Now feature. We also ship, so if you guys aren't near us, just give us a call. We can get your shipping quote, get this trailer delivered right to your door. We do have some very great shipping rates, very reasonable for people, and gives you guys some options. So again, getmytrailer.com or sales@getmytrailer.com, and be sure to like and subscribe.